As mentioned, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies, OPEC Plus, slashed oil production by 2 million barrels per day. Starting from November, the cut is double than previously anticipated, which is at 1 million barrels per day.
The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies, known as OPEC Plus, decided to cut oil production by 2 million barrels per day during their meeting on Wednesday, the 5th of October 2022, in the hopes to bolster oil prices that have recently tumbled. The cut will come into effect starting November this year, and it is significantly larger than previously anticipated, which was at 1 million barrels per day. OPEC also mentioned this decision is based on the uncertainty surrounding the global oil market and economic outlook. During the first in-person OPEC meeting since the COVID-19 pandemic, Saudi Arabia's energy minister, Abdulaziz bin Salman, emphasized OPEC's role as a moderating force to bring about stability within the global energy market.
We will continuously prove that OPEC Plus is here not only to stay, but here to stay as a moderating force to bring about stability and a betterment to the and a supporting anomaly to the world economy. As it is today, we feel much more assured that we should give that comfort to the market that we're here for the full year, for the full 14 months, if it requires. However, if the things changes, we will tweak with it. If things get worse, we will have to also tweak.
U.S. President Joe Biden's administration have criticized OPEC's decision to cut production quota and called the decision short-sighted. The White House press secretary went on to say the decision will have negative impacts on low and middle-income countries.
OPEC's decision to cut production's quotas is short-sighted while the global economy is dealing with the continued negative impact of Putin's invasion of Ukraine. If there's a meaningful price impact of OPEC's decision, it will particularly be on low and middle income countries. The president's efforts have made progress bringing down U.S. gas prices since the beginning of the summer. Gas prices are down nearly $1.20, and the most common price at gas stations today is $3.29 per gallon.
OPEC Secretary General Haytham Al-Ghai said OPEC is not trying to endanger the energy market, but is trying to provide security and stability within the market.
If you permit me, Royal Highness, we are not endangering the energy markets. We are providing security, stability to the energy markets.
At a price.
Prices of oil are starting to increase after OPEC's decision to cut production by 2 million barrels per day. On Tuesday's stock market, Brent crude oil futures prices closed higher, up to $2.94 per barrel, or 3.3%, making it $91.80 per barrel. Meanwhile, West Texas Intermediate, or WTI, jumped $2.89, or 3.5%, making it $86.52 per barrel.